In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. So first of all, open up your App Store application and search for Facebook. Once you search for Facebook, you have to open the application and make sure that your Facebook application is up to date and there are no updates available, as it can be a bug or a issue that is fixed in a newer version. After that, you also have to make sure that your iPhone is up to date as well. So you have to open up your iPhone settings, then tap on General. In General, you have to tap on Software Update. Now in Software Update, make sure that your iPhone is up to date and there are no updates available. Once you make that sure, there is another way to fix this. So you have to open up your Facebook application to do that. Now on your Facebook account, you have to tap on Menu, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the menu, you have to scroll down and tap on Help and Support to extend the menu, then tap on Report a Problem. Now scroll down and tap on Continue to Report. Now tap on Include. Now from the Features option, you have to scroll down until you see the Profile option, so you have to tap on that. Now you very simply have to type in your issue that hey Facebook, I can't see the Facebook profile lock option on my account. Kindly fix this ASAP. Once you're done, you can also add a screenshot by tapping on the Take Screenshot option, then upload the screenshot of your settings in which the Facebook profile lock option is missing. Once you're done, you have to tap on Send, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. So once you're done, now Facebook will receive your report and will try to implement a solution on your account. So one more thing that you should know is that the profile lock option is not available in all regions of the world. So for example, if you are in a specific region where Facebook has not launched the profile lock option yet, then you won't be able to see it. Only those who are in the region where Facebook has launched the profile lock option will see it. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.